Hi, welcome to AIPA YouTube channel. Today we are doing one more Python program, that is pizza bill calculator. It is nothing but when we go to restaurant to buy pizza, we need to calculate what is the bill amount we have eaten. So let us take variable size. So pizza may exist in different sizes. So it will be input. Choose pizza size. It may be available in small size, medium size, and large size. So initially when we go to restaurant, our bill will be 0. So our bill is 0. Now based on condition, whether we are going to choose small, medium or large, our bill is going to be incremented. If size equals to small, bill can be incremented to, let's say it is 200 rupees. Next, if size equals to medium, bill plus equals to, let's say it is 250 rupees. Medium size pizza is, let's say it is 250 rupees. Well, if size equals to, let's say it is large size pizza, then our bill is going to be incremented. Let's say it is 300 rupees. So not only pizza, along with pizza, we may have pepperoni and extra cheese also. Add underscore pepperoni is equals to input, let's say, do you want pepperoni? Add pepperoni. So do you want pepperoni means it may be answer again yes or no. Yes or no. Next is cheese. Do you want extra cheese? Again answer will be yes or no. Now we will create one more independent if block. If add pepperoni is equals to yes. Again we need to check whether your pizza is small size or large size. Size equals to small, then bill is incremented to, let's say it is 20 rupees. Else bill is incremented to 30 rupees. If it is a large size pizza or medium size pizza, it is 30 rupees. And one more if independent block, if cheese equals to s, then your bill is incremented to, let's say 10 rupees. Extra cheese is 10 rupees. Now finally we need to calculate total bill. Print f string, let's take f string. Your bill is bill. That's it. Let us execute this one. So it is asking small size or large size or medium size. So I will go with small size pizza. And do you want pepperoni? Yes, I go with add pepperoni. And do you want extra cheese? Yes, I go with extra cheese. So my bill is 230 rupees. And let's see one more time. Let us execute. This time I go with the large size pizza. And then this time I don't want no. This time I don't want no extra cheese. Then large size pizza bill is 300. So our output will be 300. See, your bill is 300. So our program is executing very nicely. If you are getting any errors, comment in comment box. So let me explain this code. Here we have taken three variables: size, add pepperoni, and cheese. And initially our bill is 0. Depending on our choices, your bill is going to increment it. So for that we are using conditions of Python: if, elif, else blocks. So this is simple Python programming. We meet with another program. Bye.